Ladies and gentlemen, the day I finally waited for. A week and a half, I finally have my Canon Vixia M300. I'm going to unbox this. This will be the third YouTube unboxing. Okay, I got this baby, $384 from iBuyPlasma from eBay. Okay, here is the camera, the box. Oh, I also got like a kit bundle deal. Normally the camera would have been $349, but I got this for $384, so it's like getting a $30 kit. Oh, and here's all the shit in the kit. I'll move this over here so you can see. You get a camera bag. You get not one, but two tripods. This is a 50-inch. Oh, that's cool. I thought it was going to be a small fucking thing, like smaller than my dick. Here's a digital camera and camcorder accessory kit. So you basically get your cleaning wipes. It looks like inside this box you get a mini tripod too. It's those flexi ones, so you can wrap it around like a railing or whatever. Oh, here comes some good shit. This here is a lens filter. It's the UV one. And the best part, you get a travel charger. You can plug it in the wall and charge your battery. I do want to mention I was supposed to get an extra battery with it. I am not getting that. I don't know what's going on. I'll have to get a hold of them. So let's unbox the camera. First thing that's coming out is the CD, the manuals. How much you want to bet the extra battery's not in this box? Well, here's one battery. This is part of the power cable. And one thing I really like about this Canon camera, it's supposed to get component cables. Well, this is just the regular AV out. And this one here is just a USB. Remote, battery for remote. Here's the component cables. The other part of the power pack. And last but not least, the device in question. Oh yeah, baby. It's got a rotatable screen here. Here's what the side looks like. Your mic, AV out, SD card slot, little built-in speaker. Here's the top. Got a mini shoe. You're going to want to get an adapter, the mini shoe to universal shoe adapter to use this if you want to use your own microphone mounts and flashes. The front, it's a pretty small camera for what it does, and it's supposedly one of the best Canon consumer camcorders out there. It's 15 times optical zoom, 1920 by 1080 pixels for high definition. I really don't have anything more to say. I'll be contacting iBuyPlasma for my fucking extra battery. I hope you guys learned a lot. Goodbye.